What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Enforcer's Magsafe wireless power bank for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, as well as a Magsafe case for the same phone. Now, you can use these power banks with the whole lineup of the iPhone 12, and they also do have cases for the other iPhone 12 phones as well. Now, you can purchase these all on Amazon right now, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. Now, Apple just recently released their Magsafe power bank, but there's a lot of differences between these, and I think it has a lot more value than the actual Apple one does, as well as a very significant difference in the price point. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at the case first, then I'll go ahead and go over the power banks. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have our little accessory packet. It comes with some wipes and some dust removers. It also comes with a tempered glass screen protector for your phone, which is always nice. Looks like it's pretty much full coverage except for the little notch here. And then here is the Magsafe case itself. It does have a little sticker that you're going to need to remove before you want to put it on your phone, so we'll do that. There's also one on the inside as well that you're going to want to remove. That's to keep it nice and clean by the time you get it. And there is the case itself, very clear, so we'll go ahead and put the phone in. Pops right in. So first off, it does look like it has a little raised edge around the whole edge of the phone. In case you want to put your phone face down, you don't have to worry about it touching your screen. It's nice and grippy, not slick at all. Buttons are clicky. Very responsive, shows off the nice color of your phone. It's got your cutout here for your mute button. Your volume buttons are separated, which is always nice. There you have your cutouts on the bottom here and your power button. And it has some reinforced edges just in case you happen to drop your phone on one of the edges, and that's always nice as well. And it looks like it has a very little raised edge around the camera, so again, when you put your phone down on the back, it won't touch your camera lenses. And then here we have our Magsafe connectors right there. Pretty cool. So let's go and take a look at those Magsafe Chargers. Now there's a couple different configurations that you can purchase these power banks from. One is the standalone, where you only get the power bank itself, and then the other one also comes with a charging brick. Neither one of them come with a cable, so you're gonna have to use the cable that came with your phone. But other than that, they're pretty much both the same. So here is the standalone charger. You get a nice little soft pouch to carry it in, and that's pretty much it for the standalone. And then for the bundled, again, like I said, you get the charging brick, which outputs up to 12 volts, 1.5 amps, and it also uses USB Type-C. It's got your nice pouch, and then again, it's the same charger that comes in the standalone, and they also both come with a manual and this little metal ring that you can put in phones that do not have the Magsafe magnets in them. Now, like I said before, Apple has their own Magsafe chargers that they brought out, but I believe that this one is superior. It's more value and it has more options than the Apple one does. Now, the Apple Magsafe charger is only about 1500 milliamp hours. This particular battery is 5000. The Apple charger only has a lightning port. This one has lightning and USB Type-C that can be used to power devices as well as charge up this little power bank itself, which is always pretty cool. This one also has a stand, so in case you want to charge up your phone and use it at the same time, or if you just want notifications, you can also put that in the standing configuration, where the Apple one does not. Apple's also $100, whereas this one can be as low as $39. So let's go ahead and go over all the things that you can do with this and how everything works. So here we have the Enforcer Magsafe Case, and here we have the battery pack. The way that you turn this on is there's a little silver button on the bottom here. You simply press it one time and it turns on. It's got your battery level and white LEDs and then the green LEDs to let you know that it's ready to be charged. Now if you don't put this charger on something to charge up, it will automatically turn off by itself, so you don't have to worry about turning it off. So all you need to do is simply put this over the Magsafe case and it clips right onto it. The little power LED turns blue to let you know that it is charging. And as you can see, the little charger there showing that it is actually charging my phone. And as you can see, it holds pretty well. I'm not really worried about the phone falling off, and as you know, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is pretty heavy by itself. Let's go ahead and put out this little kickstand here. It is metal, which is really nice, and as you can see, it stands up the phone quite nicely, so you can watch Netflix or whatever and still charge up your phone. So here I'll show you the little charging animation. We have our little charger and our phone. I'll clip that over. One thing to note is that unlike the Apple charger, when you hook it up to your Apple phone, it will show you the charge of the MagSafe battery, whereas this one, you'll have to look at the LEDs on the back to kind of see what the battery capacity is. I don't think that's a deal breaker at all, especially for the price and what you're getting. Now this can also double as a power bank, and when I say that, you can plug in a USB-C to lightning cable and charge up your phone wired if that's what you want to do. It'll probably charge your phone up a little faster, and it will probably not heat up as much as the wireless charging would. You can also use this for other devices that have the Qi wireless charging, such as Android phones or maybe your earbuds. You can use that too. Now this can output up to 15 watts wirelessly and up to 18 watts through the power delivery as a power bank. Now I have used this to charge up my phone pretty significantly, and it charges at about the same rate as a regular wireless charger would. The battery does heat up a little bit, as well as your phone. That's typical of the wireless chargers, up to about 80%. After the 80%, it seems to cool down, but still seems to charge just fine. I also did run the battery pack down all the way and then charged it up using a 9-volt 2-amp wall adapter, and it took about an hour and a half to charge from 0% all the way to 100, which is not bad at all. So now let's see how well it holds just connecting it to the back of the phone without the MagSafe case. So it seems to hold pretty well. It doesn't seem to stay in one spot as well as the MagSafe case did, but it still holds it pretty well to where you don't have to really worry about the phone just falling off the battery. And then if you were to have a case like I do that doesn't have any MagSafe in it, you can still use the battery. It will kind of hold on a little bit, like you saw, it just like slides off. But as you can see, it still charges up just fine. You just have to worry about the case not holding on there nearly as well. But it does kind of still find that magnet. It just won't hold the phone by itself like I was doing before. And then here we have a USB-C to lightning cable. Like I said, all you need to do is plug it into the USB Type-C connection on the end there, and then plug it into your phone. And as you can see, it does charge it up just fine that way too. Now here I also have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable that came with my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And here I have that phone. So we'll go ahead and plug that into the bottom here. And as you can see, it does charge up the phone, and it is doing fast charging. So you can pretty much use this as a power bank for anything, as well as a wireless Qi charger for other things that have the wireless Qi capabilities like this phone does. Now if you want to wirelessly charge your Android phone using the power bank, you can do that as well. You just kind of need to find that sweet spot to where it will charge up. Right there. And as you can see, it does do the fast wireless charging for the Android phone as well with the wireless charging. So now, like I said before, if you happen to have a phone that doesn't have the MagSafe magnets in it like the iPhone 12 does, here I have my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can simply take that little metal blue ring and put it in your case or on your phone over where the wireless charging is on your phone, and then you can kind of use the magnetic capabilities of the Enforcer battery pack. Like I have my Galaxy Note 20 here. Here is kind of where the wireless charging is, and I just simply put it in my case over the phone. We'll go ahead and turn on our power bank here, and then we'll go ahead and put this over the back. As you can see, it is wireless charging. So it helps you kind of find that charging place just like the iPhone 12 does. So now if you're curious if you can charge up your Apple Watch with this, here we have our charger. We'll go ahead and put this underneath our watch. And as you can see, it is not wireless charging. But you can still use this with your Apple Watch. All you need to do is get your Apple Watch charging cable, put on a USB-A to USB Type-C adapter. Simply plug this into the USB Type-C port on the back here, and then we can put our phone on our charger. As you can see, it does charge up. So we're simply just using it just like a power bank to still charge up our Apple Watch. Now, you can also use this, like I said before, to charge up your buds, whether they be some Samsung buds or your Apple AirPods. So here we have some AirPods Pro. We'll simply put it over the wireless charger, and as you can see, the little LED does light up. So you can use that wirelessly, or again, you can use the lightning cable to charge that up wired. Here we have our Samsung buds. I'll have to kind of tilt this a little bit to let you see. As you can see, the little LED does turn on there as well. So this is a multifunctional power bank you can use with pretty much everything that's wirelessly capable wirelessly, and then you can also use this as a power bank. It's got a nice build. It is pretty much made of all plastic except for maybe this ring here. It is pretty solid. Again, it doesn't feel cheap at all. And the little kickstand here is metal, and it is very sturdy. You don't have to worry about that falling off. So I definitely recommend getting this over the Apple charger just because it has higher capacity, more functionality, and it's definitely a fraction of the price. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And again, if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use that link because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.